Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will talk about this class 6 science annual examination solution. Section A है जो कि है fill in the blanks. First में बोला है in a habitat, plant, animal and microorganism are dash factor of that habitat. इसका आंसर होगा biotic. Now next बोला है dash of a root absorb water and mineral from the soil. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा roots. Now, the diseases which are caused due to a lack of nutrients in our diet for a long period are called deficiency disease. Okay. Now, next fourth है the material that allow electric current to pass through them are called conductor. Conductor. Now let's talk about the true false. Opaque object allow light to pass through them. False. Now all living organisms do respiration. True. Matchstick is a insulator of electric current. True. By eating rice alone we can object balanced diet for our body. इसका हमारा है false. Okay. Now next, write the answer of the following question in one word. Okay. First, in which type of habitat is frog found? हम लिख सकते हैं aquatic. Aquatic. Now write name of an object by which we can obtain clear image of our face after reflection of light. इसका हमारा हो सकता है mirror. Mirror. Now next, what do we call the line design found on a leaves? हम बोलते हैं इन्हें veins. Now next, write one reason when an electric bulb doesn't glow even after being connected to electrical cell in a electric circle. इसका आंसर हो सकता है हमारा break the filament. Okay. Now अब हम बात करते हैं हमारे सेक्शन बी की. सेक्शन बी का क्वेश्चन सेकेंड, विच टाइप ऑफ प्लांट आर कॉल्ड हर्ब्स? गिव एग्जाम्पल. ओके. Herbs are those plants whose stems are soft green and perishable. They have a very short lifespan of 1 or 2 seasons. Herbs are wheat, paddy, rice, cabbage, tomato, mustard, radish, sunflower, carrot, ginger and turnip. Now third question हमें बोला है write two difference between living and non-living. All living things breathe, eat, grow, move, reproduce and have sense are living organisms. Non-living things don't eat, grow, breathe, move, reproduce. They don't have any sense. Now इसके और में हमें दिया गया है what is habitat of an organism. The surrounding where plant and animal live is called their habitat. For example, the habitat of a frog is fresh water, while the habitat of a camel is desert. Now, fourth question given है हमें write one reason of obesity in our body. It's caused when extra calories are stored in the body as fat. If you consume high amount of energy, particularly found in a high fat and high sugar foods, and don't use all of the energy through physical activity, much of the extra energy will be stored in the body as fat. Now fifth question है हमारे पास what are luminous object? Write any one example. Luminous object, the object that can emit light energy by themselves are known as luminous object. Object like the sun that give out or emit light of their own are luminous object. Other example of luminous body are electric bulb, torch, etc. इसके और में भी हमें क्वेश्चन गिवन है जो है कैन वी मेक शेडो ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन अ डार्क रूम? राइट वन रीजन फॉर योर आंसर. The luminous object cannot cast a shadow in a dark room because it cannot block the path of our own light and there is no other light source in the room. Now sixth question है Why should we keep precautions while using electrical applications? The safe work environment is not allowed always enough to control all the potential electrical hazards. You must be very cautious and work safely. Safety rules help you control your other risks of injury or death from the workplace hazard. Now, seventh question given है. Write the name of any two organisms of each which reproduce by laying eggs, reproduce by giving birth to their young ones. So, those who give birth to young ones are called viviparous, and there are organisms like bird, insect, fishes, reptiles that grow, reproduce by the laying eggs. There are the example like cat, dog, and etc. Now, question 8 given है हमें. Complete the table by writing correct word in the place A, B, C in the given table. So first हमें given है protein dash and weakness in the muscles. So इसका आंसर हमारा हो सकता है बी का बताएंगे राइस पोटैटो लो एनर्जी इन द बॉडी एंड विटामिन ए ग्रीन वेजिटेबल कैरेट्स. सो वन बाय वन बताते हैं. सो ए का आंसर है पीस, ये ए का आंसर है. कार्बोहाइड्रेट हमारा बी का आंसर है एंड लो विजन हमारा सी का आंसर है. ओके, नाउ इसके और में भी गिवन है जिसमें बोला है व्हाट आर डेफिशिएंसी डिसीजेस, गिव एनी टू एग्जांपल ऑफ सच डिसीजेस. So, food deficiency diseases are scurvy. It is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. Rickets is it caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. Anemia it is caused by the deficiency of iron. Now, ninth question given है जो है write three function of the stem in plant. So the primary function of the stem are to support the leaf, to conduct water and minerals to the leaves where they can be converted into a usable products by the photosynthesis, and to transport these products from the leaf of other part of the plant and including the roots. Now, or maybe answer given which part of the plant make own food. Also write the name of this process. Write name of any two necessary substance required to make food by the plant. So the leaf have a green pigment called chlorophyll. It helps leaf to capture the energy of the sunlight. This energy is used to synthesize prepare food from the carbon dioxide and water. Since the synthesis of the food occur in the presence of the sunlight, it is known as the photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis to combine. Now, that question given a draw diagram of an electric circuit in which electric cell, glowing bulb and on switch are connected to conducting wire. So we have to show the electric cell. So electric cell, or we can also say electric battery, then glowing bulb, and then on switch, and the wires. Now क्वेश्चन 11 गिवन है हमें. सो हमें ये पिक्चर देख के आंसर बताना है, ए एंड बी पिक्चर देख के. सो इसमें बोला है फर्स्ट आउट ऑफ ए एंड बी पोजिशन इन द गिवन फिगर एट द एंड ऑफ विच पाइप कैन यू सी मोर लाइट. सो अगर हम देखें सो हम देख सकते हैं बी वाली पिक्चर में. सो इसका आंसर हमारा हो जाएगा बी. नाउ व्हाट मे बी द रीज़न ऑफ सीइंग द मोर लाइट एट द एंड ऑफ द पाइप. सो इसका आंसर ये हो सकता है बी में इसलिए देख सकते हैं बिकॉज इट इज़ स्ट्रेट. सो वी कैन सी द लाइट बिकॉज द पाइप इज़ द स्ट्रेट. नाउ सेक्शन सी. सो सेक्शन सी में बोला गया है ड्रॉ द डायग्राम ऑफ अ फ्लावर एंड लेबल द फॉलोइंग पार्ट इन द इट. सो सेपल्स, पेटल्स, पिस्टिल, स्टैमेन. सो हमें जो पार्ट दिखाने थे वो थे पेटल, पिस्टिल, स्टैमेन, सेपल, स्टेम, लीफ. ओके, ना और में आंसर गिवन है जो कि है ड्रॉ अ प्लांट डायग्राम विच हैव स्ट्रेट स्टेम, टैप रूट, रेटिकुलेट लीवेशंस, ब्लूम्ड फ्लावर्स. सो पेटियोल, नोड, स्टेम, स्टिपल्स, मिडरिप, वेन, ब्लेड, टिप, लीफ, लेमन. नाउ हमें 13 क्वेश्चन गिवन है. सो 13 क्वेश्चन में पैरा गिवन है पैरे को देख के हमें आंसर देना है. सो आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. तो फर्स्ट पूछे विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सराउंडिंग इज नॉट अ टेरिस्ट्रियल हैबिटेट. नाउ सो इसका आंसर हमारा होगा सी, जो कि है पॉन्ड. नेक्स्ट बोला है नीडल लीव्स needles like leaves are found in the tree of which habitat. So mountain rivers, the surrounding where organisms live together, is called a habitat. और थर्ड वाले के और में हमें गिवन है जो कि है change in the body structure to live in a surrounding is known as or is called as adaptations. So now 14th क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. सो 14th का हम देखें तो फर्स्ट बोला है हमें विच ऑफ दिस इज नॉट अ सीड. सो ए है जो कि है खजूर. नाउ सेकेंड बोला इन विच पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट इज सीड मेड. सो फ्लावर. न्यू प्लांट अराइज बाय डैश ऑफ द सीड. सो है germinations. Which of these plant can give rise to new plant without seed, जो कि है रोज. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं जो कि 15th है. बोला है नाउ ant live in which type of habitat. So ant live in terrestrial. So root of grass are fibrous and dash of the plant hold the soil tightly. So root of the plant. and हमें और भी given है जो कि है green color of the grasshopper in the grassland is a adaptation. सो यहीं पे हमारा वीडियो ख़त्म होता है. हमने पूरे सारे क्वेश्चन कर लिए. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो सो प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. और अगर आपको और ऐसी वीडियो चाहिए सो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट में बताइएगा. थैंक यू.